for us to wash the ingredients. So put half a teaspoon into the water. All right. Ginger, lemon, and parsley. All right. Put all of these natural stuff into the water. All right. Now, once you do that, all right, simple, but you will be surprised to know how it's going to work. Very effective for you. Put this one side for now. Put that aside. Let's remove this. All right, lovely. We're going to make a beautiful cup of tea tonight. All right, lovely. If you're interested in learning and educating yourself at home, then this goes for you, to be honest with you. All right, medium-sized pot on your cooker, just like this. As you can see, we're gonna show you how you can do some simple little things at home, and it works very, very effective, 100%. You will be surprised to know how good these natural things do help you at home. You know, when you're at home and you feel like nothing not working, there is things working, guys. All right. You're going to get a cup of water. I'm using hot water to start the process. Perfect. All right. Yeah, hot water to start the process. Lovely. So we got parsley, ginger, and lemon. Don't go anywhere. Stay right there. I'm gonna wash my ingredients, which is gonna take about 2 to 3 seconds. Excellent. Now, a lot of people know what is bloating, so I don't need to explain about bloating. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some parsley, roughly about a large tablespoon of parsley. If you cut it up, it will work out about 1 tablespoon of parsley in the pot, just like this. So you can go to your local shop or your supermarket and get yourself some parsley and do this at home. Now we're gonna get some fresh ginger. All right, few slices of ginger into the water. All right. And we're just gonna put 2 slices of lemon into the water, just like that. Now, if you're struggling with bloating, this is gonna come in really handy for you. Honestly, you're gonna be surprised with that, and an amazing benefit with the parsley. All right, big up yourself. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Also, it helps you with your blood pressure. So there's a little bonus on it, just to let you know that it do help you reduce your blood pressure. All right, don't feel any way, guys. We are in the kitchen to give you a few bits and pieces what can help you at home. Now, if you want to see some of the benefit of parsley, what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump straight into my my notes. look at my notes to share with you, that you guys can understanding why Chef Ricardo love to talk about these natural herbs and why it's so important for you to understand that these things do help you at home if you don't understand it. So you make, and not only that, it's also vitamin K. So as I said, there's a nice little bonus on this beautiful cup of tea this evening. My advice to you, why not try something at home? All right, so you can see it for yourself. It's a beautiful cup of tea. Let's share a few of the benefits with you guys and take some notes. My advice for you is to take notes. It is important. All right. Vitamin K. So these are some of the notes. Janet, big up yourself. Thank you so much for coming on the show. So those are the benefit of the parsley. Now I'm gonna turn off the cooker. All right. Let's turn off the cooker for a bit. It is boiling, so let's take it off. All right, as you guys can see for yourself. Excellent. All right. Yeah, but you can see what I am talking about. All right, this and an amazing cup of tea this evening. Go back inside. It's not gonna do nothing. Right? Yeah. Beautiful cup of tea, guys. Now, I just share some of the benefits with you, iChef. It is safe to mix it with. Is it safe to iChef? I am safety with that mixture. Now, what some of the thing I want to share with you, that's why it is important for you guys to watch what I'm doing, because and also read some of the note inside of the description which I'm sharing with you, because there are some more benefit which I would encourage you to do. For my advice is, if you're on medication, if you're taking medication, and I would encourage you, speak to your doctor first before you drink these natural herbs. Natural herbs, I don't know how strong your medication are, so I would encourage you to speak to your doctor. Very important. All right, because it is good for eating parsley every day. Parsley, it is a safe for most adults which take medication for a short time. So I'm going to share this with you, as you guys can also read it for yourself. So if this is saying for people who are taking medication for a short term, iChef, I boil it for roughly probably about 8 to 10 minutes. Now, and I use hot water, so it's moved quickly. All right. Yeah, I use some hot water, so it moves a little bit more faster to process. So these are some of the benefits of the parsley. So take your notes. It is important. That's why I share these things in the chat for you guys to understand the benefit of parsley. Does parsley detox the body? 100%. Yes. Parsley help provide certain whole heap of stuff. Well, kidney stone, it's amazing. So yeah, let's share this with you, and you guys can also please yourself. All right. Parsley is good for kidney stone. Yeah. These are the benefits which I'm sharing with you. Take your notes. It is important. They are there right in front of your eyesight. Quickly run through the chat, look at them. Now, big up yourself, Easter. Big up, thank you so much. I appreciate you coming on the show. All right. So, this is it right here. All right. The parsley tea is amazing. Just to take a good look at it. All right. Yeah, take a good look for yourself and, you know, understand what we are doing in the kitchen 100%. Pour it out. You can just put back this inside of it with a piece of a lemon also inside of it. What you can do for a little bit of flavor and taste, just get a half teaspoon of good organic honey, guys. Organic honey is better than more than any other else honey you're supposed to be using. All right, try it. Ah, perfect. That is amazing. So you want to try and get yourself good organic honey. Don't get any honey to make this beautiful cup of tea, guys. It is amazing, as you can see it for yourself. Fantastic. The flavor, the taste, the texture is just amazing. Read the notes. The notes are important. All right. Good day, Chef Ricardo. I am trying here tea tonight to sleep better, and I'm drinking the rest of this now. Thank you a million times. You're more than welcome. A million times. Julie is in the building. Thank you so much for using natural home remedy. You know, if you take a sleeping pill like some other people who are taking sleeping pill, there are still people taking sleeping pill. There are people still suffering with high blood pressure. There are people still that want to try their best to change their diet. There are people still out there thinking what to do.